unfolded since last evening. Now, Jawaharlal Nehru University Student Union will hold protest outside Education Ministry's office at around 2 p.m. today over the UGC NET exam being cancelled. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time. Let's take a look at what the JNUSU president had to say on this controversy.
हमारी मांग है कि एनटीए को तुरंत निरस्त किया जाए, उसे किसी भी तरह का एग्जाम नहीं लेने दिया जाए और हम सरकार से मांग करते हैं कि एनटीए पर कार्रवाई हो, कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई हो और जितने छात्रों के सपनों को मार दिया जा रहा है, जितने छात्रों के सपनों को कुचल दिया जा रहा है, उसके खिलाफ आपको कार्रवाई करना पड़ेगा.
Well, Sharon continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Sharon, we just heard yet another, student organizational head talking about taking stringent actions against the NTA, and there is a lot of sharp criticism also involved in the entire scenario. Now, what are the main demands of the JNU-SU students regarding the UGC NET exam cancellation, and what actions are we expecting from the Ministry of Education soon?
Well, not just the JNSU, but also a number of student wings like the NSUI, like the SFI, all are in fact planning a series of protests in coming days. Remember, the Congress party has already declared a nationwide protest against the NEET examination. And today the JNSU is planning to do this protest right outside the Ministry of Education at about 2 p.m. Now, what is really the demand of these student wing is that the NTA, the National Testing Agency, need to be banned, and they should not be allowed to go ahead and conduct any sort of examination, be it NEET, JEE or UGC NET, because the kind of controversy that the NTA is surrounded right now, they should not be allowed to conduct any more examination, and strict action need to be taken against those people who are involved allegedly in the paper leak or any sort of irregularities that the Ministry of Education is talking about at this point. So they all have been demanding that the resignation of the NTA chairman, and also that in future NTA should not conduct any examination. So today the JNSU is protesting outside Ministry of Education. Tomorrow there is a series of protests that is planned by the Congress party across India. Around in about 300 cities is what we have been told that a series of protests will be conducted by the Congress party against the NEET examination, because right now the Congress party, the opposition parties say that we stand validated. Clearly there has been some sort of discrepancy, some sort of nexus that is going on, and that is why in the UGC, in the NEET examination, they had to go ahead and withdraw the grace marks. When it comes to the UGC NET, they have to cancel it within 24 hours. So clearly there is some sort of discrepancy that is happening, and NTA need to be held accountable is what the demand of the opposition is.
Right, Sharon. Thank you so much for bringing in all those updates. We'll continue to track the story as the day progresses and we get more reaction and updates on this story. But now we are shifting our focus